Picking the right stock can feel like guessing on a test you didn't study for, but it doesn't have to. You don't need to be a financial expert. You just need a simple system. In this video, I'll show you how to analyze a stock in 3 easy steps, so you can invest with confidence, not confusion. Most beginners jump straight to the price. It's going up. Should I buy? Slow down. First ask, what does the company actually do? How do they make money? Are people still going to want this in 5 years? If you don't get the business, you can't trust the stock. Metaphor. Would you buy a bakery if you didn't know what they sell? Okay, time to check some basic stats. Don't worry, no calculator needed. Look at revenue equals are they growing? Profit equals are they making money? PE ratio equals is the price fair compared to earnings? Growing revenue equals more sales. Positive profit equals business is working. P between 10 to 30 equals often reasonable, but depends on the company. Pro tip, compare it to competitors. Is it overpriced or a deal? Last step, check the direction. Is the company growing or shrinking? Are they innovating or falling behind? What are people saying about the future of this industry? This helps you invest in the story, not just the snapshot. Example, a phone company that hasn't launched anything new in years equals. A gaming company launching AI tools equals. Don't buy just because it's cheap. Don't copy random TikTok tips. Don't invest in companies you wouldn't use yourself if you wouldn't buy from them. Why own part of them? Analyzing a stock isn't about being a genius. It's about understanding the story, the numbers, and the direction. Do that. You'll make smarter decisions than 90% of people who just chase the hype. Like this video if you want more no-nonsense investing content. Share it with someone who's tired of guessing. And subscribe to learn how to build real wealth, one smart move at a time.